Hello YouTube. I have an extension cord that I want to change the male plug. I have a broken ground on it, so I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you have to do is get your tools together. What we have is a wire stripper, wire cutter, and a Phillips screwdriver. Our other piece that we're going to use is this plug, male plug purchased at Home Depot. The two little screws I already removed from it. We're going to show you how to put this together on the end of this cord. I also have a small little razor blade that I'm going to be using to cut the wire. I use the razor blade to open up the insulation of the wire. Inside are 3 wires. There's going to be a green one, a black one, and a white one. The black one is the hot wire, the green is the ground, the white is your neutral. Inside this orange plug, if we open it up, we're going to leave enough wire available so we can attach it to the screws on the inside of this plug that opens up after removing the 2 screws. We're going to give us enough length where we can attach the 3 wires to the appropriate screws. The silver screw, which you're looking at right now, is going to take the white wire, which is the neutral. The brass colored screw on this side will take the black wire, which is the hot, and this green screw over here will take the ground. And if you look on this side, you can pretty much line it up and see the corresponding. Leave yourself enough wire. I cut off about 1.5 inches of the insulation. I could always snip these wires back if they're too long. How these screws operate here is you have a little hole here on each side. What you're going to do is insert the wire into that hole and tighten the screw, and at that point the hole will close and hold the wire tight. After inserting 3 wires in, it should look something like this. Again, insert the wires into the little hole, the bare copper, and then tighten clockwise all 3 of the screws. At this point we close up the male end and we'll put the 2 screws in to tighten. After tightening both of the silver screws, that is our end product right there. Male plug replaced. You discard the old one and we're back in business. 100-foot extension cord repaired for a couple of dollars. Over and out.